Can we see fetal hair on ultrasound? The answer is yes, we can. But that's not what we usually look for. Think about the matter. When you go to shower, your hair looks like this. When the fetus is inside its mother's womb, due to amniotic fluid, same situation happens for the baby. And that's why it's difficult to separate hair from the scalp skin with ultrasound. When the fetus is inside its mother's womb, due to amniotic fluid, same situation happens for the baby. And that's why it's difficult to separate hair from the scalp skin with ultrasound. Fetus usually has got a small amount of hair, making it difficult to evaluate. When I go for swimming, my hairs become spiky. What about those babies? Or you may say, I have seen many babies born with a good amount of hairs. What about them? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. In this picture, you can see arrow marks indicating some bright echogenic projections coming out of the fetal scalp. These are actually the fetal scalp hairs. Let's see this on real time. Here you can easily notice some echogenic projections from the occipital scalp area representing fetal hair. That's all about fetal hair. And this is our today's model. If you can learn something new from this video, then don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.